Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys doing all right. So today I got this Seagate 8 terabyte desktop hard drive because I am looking for the big storage for a long time, and I would just find it on in a Costco here in USA. So that's why I bought this Seagate 8 terabyte desktop hard drive for my backup. This is a bit heavy, but it's fine because it's mostly gonna sit here on my desk, so it should be fine. So let's go and do unboxing of it first. So let me open the box first. I don't know where it is. Let me find out first. Okay, here it go. So this side, so I need to put here. So let's check what comes inside the box, and before that I just wanted to show you the specification of it. It support the Windows 7 or higher. It also support the Mac OS, compatible with the Mac OS also, so that's good thing. Okay, as everyone know, it's 8 terabyte hard drive, 2-year limited warranty. It also comes with the rescue data recovery service included, and it's also called the backup plus hub. Connect with the connection evac. I don't know what's that. I need to check. So there is nothing special in this, so we just open it directly. So I just open the box and I find a hard drive here. It's a little bit heavy, so I need to take extra care. There are some documentation inside it, a manual maybe, how you can set up your hard drive. I don't need right now this one, but this is the hard drive itself. Let me see what other thing you get in the box. Inside the box, I think you also get a power cable, because this is a desktop hard drive, so it might require a power cable, but let me check. Yes, it required the power cable to power this hard drive, and it also comes with this USB cable. I think it's a USB 3.0, so which is standard right now in any desktop hard drive or a portable hard drive. So this is it. Let me open the hard drive. So I just open it, and this is how it look. 2 USB port and a power cable, and this USB type 3.0 port. So that's all, guys. That's what you get inside the box. That's all. Some documentation, power cable, USB cable, and hard drive. That's it. So this is a hard disk that I bought from the Costco, and that one I bought in a deal in a Black Friday, and it was cost me about $119, so $11.19. So that's not bad deal. Actually it cost around $170 regularly, but this one I got it like around $120. You can say, like, I save like $50. That's why I bought it. Yeah, so I just wanted to share with you guys this. Hope you guys like this. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video and content like this. Thank you. Bye. Take care.